Kazi yangu Mheshimiwa Rais ni kufanya oversight. Hii miradi yote ambayo unaleta, I will be talking about them as the oversight officer. I'll be going around, I'll be giving you the report. From my county to your national government, continue doing the good work. I want to tell you something. And because I've been in politics now for 20 years with you, you're a good man. You have a very soft heart. I want to beg you, and I want to also beg my leader, Honorable Gachagua, please try your level best to bring the country together. Try your level best. But I'm not asking you to go and negotiate for Nusu Mkate. That one, forget. Even me, I will not join the serikali and Nusu Mkate. Thank you. Keep your government. Continue what you're doing. Abagusi people are people who believe in fairness, justice, and equity. So far, Your Excellency, you have shown us that you are with us.